Hello all, welcome to my channel. In the previous video of interview analysis system, we discussed that how to read the data of file into linked list. Now today I will demonstrate you how to modify the topic and how to delete the topic. So let's do the same thing practically. First of all, what I want to do, I want to modify the topic. It means that whenever user press the option number 2, I want to modify the topic. So let me move to the menu first, and that menu is manage topic, and here if the case 2 is there, then I want to modify the topic. So I'm just calling the function modify topic. Definitely I need to create that particular function. And for case 3, I want to delete the topic. So I'm writing the function that is delete topic and break. So definitely I need to create the two functions, one for modify topic and another for the delete topic. So let me first create the function that is modify topic. So here I'm just moving, and here I'm just creating one function, and that function is modify topic. At the same time you can create one more function that is delete topic. Now in modify topic, I want to modify the topic based on the topic ID. So I'm just writing here printf enter topic ID to modify. So I need to get the topic ID from the user. So I'm writing here scanf %d m% topic ID. So definitely I need to declare the variable that is topic ID. As well as I am declaring one more variable over here, that is found is equal to 0. It means that if the topic ID is found, then I will make the found is equal to 1. Now here we can initialize our current topic, that is current topic is equal to head topic. So what happened? Current topic will point to the head node first. Now until and unless this current topic not equal to null, I want to run the loop. So what happened? This current topic that is pointing to head topic, one by one you can just write that the current topic equal to current topic dot next. So what happened? One by one you will iterate the each and every record from the linked list. Now I'm just matching it over here that if current topic dot topic ID equal to this topic ID. If it is there, then I want to modify the description, instructor and total question. So here we can simply ask to the user that printf enter new description. And here we can simply scan %s current topic dot topic description. So what happened? That particular topic description will be replaced at the particular node, that is at the current node, if the topic ID is matched. Now you can simply copy this and you can do the same thing for the instructor. So you can write here enter new instructor, and here you can write that current topic dot topic instructor. Now let me paste again, and now I want to get the total question. So I'm just writing here enter new total questions. Here we need to write the %d, as well as we need to write here that is the m% current topic dot total question. So the data will be asked to the user if and only if the topic ID is matched in the linked list. And here we will just set that the found is equal to 1. So data will be replaced into the linked list. At last we can write simple one condition over here. If found, it means that the record is matched. Topic ID is matched. If topic is matched, then we can simply write the message over here, that is topic updated successfully. And if it is not matched, then we can write here else printf record not found. And at last you can simply write system, and here you can write the pause. So what happened? It will wait for the user to enter the press any key to continue. Now you can simply build and run your code. So let me log in as an admin. Let me click on the first option, that is manage topic. Let me choose the option number 4, that is display topic. This is the data, and that right now currently available in my file. Let me open the file. This is my file, and this file also has the 5 record, and these are the 5 record, that is 1 Java Parag, 2 SQL Sri, 3 aptitude Anand, 4 SEO Ankit, 5 statistic Kalpesh. Now I want to update over here, that is instead of this SQL, I want to make it here DBMS. Instead of Srey, I want to make it here Darshan. And instead of total question 50, I want to make it here that is 30. So let me choose the option, and the option is modify the topic. Now suppose if you provide the wrong topic ID, that is for example 10, then you will get the message that the record not found. But suppose if you provide the correct topic ID, for example topic ID 2, then it will ask you new description. Let me write here the new description is DBMS. Instructor name, let me write here Darshan. And the total number of questions, for example 30. Now topic updated successfully, press any key to continue. Now you can check for display, the topic is updated over here, DBMS Darshan 30. Now you can move back from your admin menu, so the data will be written into the file. You can check the data into the file. So here if you right click and edit this file, you will get that the two DBMS Darshan and 30. So this is the way we can modify the topic of linked list. Now I want to delete the topic. So what we can write into the code of delete topic, very simple. Again we need to ask to the user that enter topic ID to delete the topic. So here we can simply copy this particular 3 line and we can paste over here. So it will ask me that enter topic ID to delete. Now I'm getting the topic ID from the user. Now might be a chance the user delete the first topic, and that is the head topic. If user delete the first node, then I want to make that the second node is the head node. So here we can write that current topic is equal to head topic. So what happened by this current topic is pointing to first node. Now if current topic dot topic ID equal this topic ID, it means that user has entered the topic ID 1. If first ID if you want to delete, then you need to store your head topic is equal to current dot next. Now head is pointing to next element, so my head topic will be the second node, and here you can simply free the current node. So what happened, your head will be destroyed and you can write the found is equal to 1. Now if record is found, then you can say that the record is deleted successfully. So here you can simply copy this and you can paste over here, and you can just change the message that record deleted successfully. But what happened in this particular code, it will simply deal with the first node only. It means that if the topic ID and the first head topic ID is matched, then and then this will work. But what about the other node? So for other node we can write the loop, and that is what, while current topic dot next not equal to null. So what happened, current topic is the head topic and head dot next not equal to null. It means that until and unless the second node not equal to null, now I want to search from second node onwards. So here we can write simple, that is topic pointer TMP is equal to current topic dot next. So the next node will be stored into topic. So here you can say that this pointer is pointing to the second node of the linked list. Now if second node dot topic ID equal to topic ID that user has given, if both are matched, then what we can do, simple, we can write that current dot next, it means that the head dot next is equal to temp dot next. So simply I am just skipping the temporary node, that is the second node. So you can simply write here free temporary, and you can set found is equal to 1, and you can simply break the loop. After that we need to write here current topic equal to current topic dot next. So what happens, this loop will be continue. If the topic ID match, I'm skipping the temp node if the ID is matched. You can simply save this and you can build and run. Now you can log in as an admin. Let me choose the option that is 4 to display. So right now 5 records are available. Let me remove the topic ID 3. Let me choose the option 3 to delete. Let me delete the topic 3. You can say that the topic is deleted successfully. Let me display the content. Third record is deleted. Let me delete the second record also. So let me delete the second record. And if you display over here, then second record is also deleted. Let me remove the first record also. So let me delete the topic, that is 1. It is also deleted. You can display. Now only 4 and 5 ID, it means that only 2 records are available. Let me delete the last record also, and that is the 5 for statistics. So let me delete the topic ID 5. So 5 is also deleted. Now you can display the content. It is only 4. Now you can move back, and whenever you move back, the data will be written to the file. You can check over here. Only one record is available for SEO Ankit 54. Now I want to log in again. Now let me pass the option 1, admin. Let me use the manage topic. Let me display the topic. Let me add the topic. For example, topic is Android instructor Parag. Total question 40. Let me display. See here, ID is 5. It means that auto increment ID is working properly. So this is the way we can modify the topic and we can delete the topic. In the next video, we will discuss about how to manage the question. So that's it from my side. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.